Hi, I'm Christian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. Today we're going to take a look at the main control board assembly on this Maytag under-the-counter dishwasher. A faulty main control board will cause the unit not to operate or start at all. To begin this repair, we first must open the door and remove the T20 screws that secure the door liner with the actual door itself. The tools you will need for this repair are a pair of needle nose pliers, a 1/4 inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, a T20 Torx drill bit incorporated with the drill, or a T20 screwdriver. Now remove the 10 T20 screws that secure the actual door liner to the actual door panel. Once the 10 screws have been removed, we can go ahead and start separating the actual door liner from the door panel. Be careful when you do so because it's sheet metal and it's very sharp. Now, once you've had them separated, you are going to want to put your drill or something down on the inside of the actual door panel to weigh the actual door panel down, or you can remove one of the springs on each side to get rid of the tension so it doesn't want to swing back close on you. Now the actual door liner, we're going to use a screwdriver to come through the latch to hold the actual door liner up while we actually repair or replace the actual other components. Now that the door liner has been separated from the front panel, we can now access the components on the inside. We're going to be removing the old electronic control assembly. To begin the repair, we're first going to remove the door latch assembly. To do so, we're going to pull straight out on it and then just let it lean right here. We'll flip this protective mat back over so we can see the electronic control here. We're going to go ahead and disconnect all the wires that plug into the main control. Some of them are spade terminals that pull right off. It looks like all the connections are going to pull right off. We got 2 spade terminals, and then the rest are Molex. So we're going to go ahead and pull them off. Once they've been disconnected, we're going to remove the 2 1/4 inch screws that actually seat the control board in place. You can see that this control board is defective because of the soot marks and the burn marks on the control. Remove the 2 1/4 inch screws. There's one right here on the right hand side as you're facing the dishwasher, and then one right here in the middle. So once those have been removed, we can now flex these tabs back on the control. You can see the control's going to want to, once the 2 tabs have been flipped back, we can go ahead and slide the control away from us. Just leave it right there. The next is there are 3 tabs, one here, here, and here. We got to flex back. Once they're flexed back, we can angle it and then pull out. Now that we have our new control board, let's install it. To begin the installation of the control board, we're going to line up the electronic control assembly, and the part that faces towards the, we'll say the front of the door panel, we're going to come in at an angle and put the clips under the actual control board mount. Once those clips have been in place, we can go ahead and push the rest of the user interface part of the control down. We'll go ahead and line up the main control here with the tabs. Make sure they're under the tabs, and then push down on the control. Be careful when you're doing this, you don't want to damage the control board. So once the control is in place, we'll reattach or resecure the control board with the 2 1/4-inch screws we removed. Second one goes right here in the middle. Once the screws have been reinstalled, we can now reconnect all the wires. These Molex connectors are keyed, so there's no way to confuse where they go. And the last spade terminal goes over here. The spade terminals are also color coded, so the double black goes right here, and then the single black goes right here. And I'll just push straight on. We'll flip the protective coat back, reinstall the actual door latch assembly. We'll line up the door latch, line up the 2 tabs, and then depress the 2 tabs on the clips. Be careful when you do that, you don't want to break the clips. We can now reinstall the door liner onto the front panel. We'll go ahead and drop the door liner down, line it up. Be careful when you're doing this. Again, the door liner is very sharp. Line it up. Now we can reinstall all the T20 screws that go around the door liner that hold the door liner to the actual front panel. Now we can shut the door, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.